Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Today, magluluto kami ng alupe or suman na balinghoy or suman na cassava. Ito yung nakuha namin nung nakaraang araw sa bukid or sa bundok. Nung naligo kami sa ilog. So, I'll try to just cut this out.
Careful.
Siguro mga mga 15 years na ako hindi nakapagluto nito. Since pumunta kami ng Maynila.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna cut your...
Yeah, I cut my fingers off. I'll just leave that there.
You wanna try? You just pull... Your hands are clean?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. Oh, it comes off so easy.
Yeah.
Alright, is it safe to throw this here? Cut
Yeah.
my hand off.
Oh my goodness. I cut out a big part of the flesh.
You can still use, no?
No.
You can't use this?
Yeah.
Why not?
It's okay. You just throw it away.
Really?
Yeah.
So sayang. One big one left. It's like a baseball bat.
You wanna try later?
Sure. It's gonna take a long time. You gotta grate all those.
Yeah. Take a long time. So, lumipat na lang ako dito, guys, kasi mas madaling mag-kuskus dito kesa sa mesa.
The whole table's shaking.
Yeah.
Diba?
Para mabilis. Kasi baka hindi na to merienda. Magiging dinner na lang to kasi matagal matapos eh. Tsaka 3 p.m. na, di ba? It's already 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Medyo madami na siya, guys. Pero long way to go pa.
Still a lot. Okay, let me take over.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see if I get the technique right. There we go.
Just wash my hands.
My goodness, it broke as soon as I started doing it. Too strong.
Ito, nagbanggod man imaw. Mas ibanggod na alimang. Saba? Kasaba. Wow, expert.
Easy. I'm like flying through this. Oh, almost cut my finger.
Be careful. I'll get some big ones. There's no big ones though. Big leaf. Oh, this one.
Wow. Nice. What's this for?
We will wrap the cassava here.
Ah. One more?
Yeah, one more. one that is nice. This one. This is nice. Oh, how can, oh my goodness, it will be hard to get. This is, maybe this one. Yeah, maybe this one.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
I got.
Yeah, it's a nice one. So finally, we are close to being done. Now I have to extract the liquid from this and drain it using this towel. This is clean, by the way. I wash it well.
Of course.
And sanitize. I just
You just extract in there?
yeah, I'll just
Wow.
medyo madami-dami din siya. Hopefully, we can make a lot of suman.
Alright, so you extracted the juice,
Yeah.
and then what do you
This is the product now. And then I'll add a mix of sugar and powdered milk.
Oh, okay. Alright, so what are you doing here?
I'm just heating up the banana leaf to make it softer.
For what?
This is the wrap for the cassava.
Oh, okay, so you wrap it with that.
So guys, binabalot ko na yung mga cassava. One step na lang para matapos na tayo. Liitan lang natin para madaling maluto.
Alright, how many do we have so far? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we still have a bunch more wrap and a lot more cassava to wrap up. Alright, we just finished the last one. How many do we have?
18.
18. Now what do we do next? What do we do next?
We will steam it.
We'll steam it?
Yeah.
Okay. How long does this take?
30 minutes up to 1 hour.
I'm excited. It's gonna be yummy.
Let's try one if it's already cooked. Ah, smoky. This one.
Is it done?
Let's try. Let's try. Good. It's already
good?
cooked.
It's cooked?
Yeah.
Oh, let me try. Okay, let me take a bite.
Good.
That's good.
Bye guys! Like and subscribe to this video and share and comment. Bye!
Bye.
Bye.
Quack.
Hi guys. For today's video, magluluto kami ng suman na cassava or suman balinghoy. Again.
Go.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today, magluluto kami ng suman cassava. No?
Again.
Suman cassava. It's actually easier to grate. What?
Quack.
Love, can you tie my hair? You just have to twist it,
Oh my goodness, so sweaty.
put it up, and clip.
A few moments later.
There we go. It's terrible, but it'll work.
My goodness. So finally, malapit na kami matapos. Ngayon, i-extract ko yung liquid mula dito, tanggalin. Let's try one if it's already cooked. Ah, smoky. This one. My goodness.
My goodness. Ah, I got smoke in my eyes. Quack.